Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making our baked shrimp and crab. So the very first thing, we've got some orzo that we need to start cooking here in our boiling salted water. Thrown a little bit of leftover lemon in there as well because we needed the zest and juice for this dish. So we're going to go in with our orzo. I'm going to let that cook. Okay. Next thing, we've melted a little bit of butter here in our saute pan. We're going to go in with our garlic and our shallot. Season this with a little salt, fresh cracked black pepper. We add a little bit of cayenne pepper as well. I'm going to let these become nice and soft so they almost melt. Now we're ready to add in our flour. Our milk. Okay, we're going to let this cook for a few minutes here. Okay, we'll let that continue to thicken up. Okay, now we're going to add our lemon juice. Some lemon zest here. Okay, you're going to turn the heat way down. I'm going to put in part of our parm, let it melt. We're going to go to the sink and drain our orzo. Okay, we're going to pour our sauce over our orzo. Okay, I'm going to go in with our crab meat. As well as our shrimp. Okay, make sure you got that stirred in really well. We have our baking dish here, which we spray with a little bit of nonstick spray. Spread that out. Okay. We have some herbs with parm. I'm going to put part in now, save part for later, just as we've done with our parm. Okay, this is going to go into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. The last couple of minutes, we're going to put more parm on top and put it under the broiler. All right, I'm gonna pop this into the oven for about 25 minutes or so, and then we'll give it a check. All right, so we'll come back and we'll check on that in just a little bit. Okay, we're ready to pull our shrimp and crab bake from the oven. We just got a little bit more to go here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the rest of the Parmesan cheese to the top, just like that. Turn our oven to broil. We're gonna put this under the broiler for just a couple of minutes, just until it gets nice and golden brown on top. All right. Ready to pull this from the oven. All right, so all that's left to do is we're gonna let this set for about 15 or 20 minutes, and then we'll plate it up and show you the finished product.